Hello everyone, back with the new video of the driver's POV. This is the 2020 G Wagon. As you can see in blue, the silver wheels and the silver trim. As you can see, this is G550. For the interior, it's this button that you have to press right here to open up the doors. These doors are solid. You have the wood looking trim with the blue leather and stitching. You also have the Burmeister sound system. You control all the seat settings, as you can see. We have both digital displays for the speedometer and for navigation. Turn on there. The seat and the steering will adjust to the seat setting. We have the Mercedes logo. We also have a sunroof and the back seats, well bolstered with the blue trim, all leather. Now to control all the vehicle settings, you have this right here. And we have the home button. It's for home. And with the knob right here, we control the screen for media, phone, and the vehicle. Now we do have the lighting in here, which is also changeable as well to different colors. You can see we'll change the lighting setting, the ambient light, as you can see we can control all the lightings in the vehicle and it all adjusts accordingly. So now we have red, and it is changed to red. Now it's definitely more noticeable at night, but the lights are very strong. Go back to the home button. We have cup holders in the front, cup holders on the side. We also have more storage space in the middle. And we control all our driver settings right here. As you can see, we control the climate control right there. And it also has a clock from Mercedes, as you can see. We also have a handlebar right here, and you also get blind spot on both sides of the vehicle. More speakers there and there, as well as there. Shut off the vehicle. See, You can find this vehicle at Weeks dealers in Danbury, Connecticut. Now for the back seats. Very spacious. We have the climate control for the center. Also got the blue trim in the back with the wood and the silver as well, as you can see. Now for the back. It comes out. Also got the blue leather, as well as tons of room, tons of space for luggage. This is the vehicle. Also got a spare in the back that's covered. And this is the G Wagon. If you'd like to find this vehicle, you can find it at Weeks Certified Pre-Owned Dealer in Danbury, Connecticut. Thank you for watching.